Introducing the new Carry Speed CS Pro Sling Strap. The shoulder pad is made from a neoprene material. The neoprene material stretches to absorb the camera weight and uses a non-slip rubber backing to prevent slippage during use. All Carry Speed Sling Strap use a 3-button snap buckle design, which provides an additional layer of safety during use. Main adjustments for the Carry Speed Sling Straps can be performed from the back. Carry Speed has also designed a front quick adjustment which can easily tighten or loosen the strap from the front. To install the C3 mounting plate, you will need a coin and Allen wrench. Install the mounting plate under the camera to the existing tripod mount with the ball head facing towards the lens direction. Align the stage blockers against the camera body and tighten the mounting plate with the coin. The Allen wrench can be used to tighten or loosen the stainless ball head. Slide the ball head into the sling strap connector and tighten the collar securely. Once tightened, move the rubber gasket down above the collar. The Carry Speed unique ball head connector will not scratch your camera or lens and can still rotate freely.